comrades, when we are here to remember those martyrdom, to remember those several people who have contributed to safeguard this education system, it is us, the younger generation, on whose shoulders today the responsibility is. Whether it is Jantar Mantar, whether it is Kerala, whether it is this campus or any of the campus inside this country. It is on us as younger generation. The younger generation across the country has shown us through their reels, through their social media strategies, through their words, through their statements, that we are not going to bow down. The message is clear. The message is clear that however the state tries to stop democratic debates, we are here to defend it. And I would also send a message to the Vice Chancellor of your university from here, that we are ready to debate. If you want to come, you come with us. We will debate with you that what is your issue. What issue do you have when young people are coming and trying to attend the fest? Why are you so fearful of young minds speaking? Because there is lakhs of young generation who will be speaking up their mind. By stopping one person, you are not going to stop the idea of the young generation. That is not possible. That is what Bhagat Singh told us, that Che Guevara told us, that you can only kill a man, but you can't stop the ideas flowing inside this country. You can't. And that is what the Vice Chancellor is mistaken. If he is thinking by stopping one fest, by stopping one person, the idea of this fest, the idea of Mazduri 2026 will go away. It is not going to go. It's in your veins. The fight, the struggle is in the veins of the students of Kannur University, and we are proud to extend solidarity to all of you who are taking ahead this fight. We also want to thank all of you, the student union especially, and SFI especially here. We know what is happening inside this country, what is happening in Manipur and the northeastern states. I've got to know when I came to the campus that several students from Manipur have got the opportunity to continue their education inside this campus, inside this university, because of the intervention of SFI and the Students' Union. Comrade, it's not only a proud moment for us, but it is where our politics is. Our politics is not only there to tell some jargons or slogans. Our politics is there to practice that in our lives, and we have shown it through our way, that no one should be left behind in education. And to all the students of Manipur, to all the students across this country who have been deprived of education, Kerala has always shown them the way, that always an alternative is possible inside this country, always an alternative is possible inside this society. However, the system might try to take away education from them, but people of Kerala, the young minds of Kerala, has always defended, tried to build an alternative system here. So I want to congratulate the student union, the SFI here, for defending that model of education. And the final thing, that the theme of the fest that is there, I was reading Mazduri 2026. Women, work and resistance. Often in our country, often in our society, the work of the women are not highlighted. I've always felt, my visit in Kerala has been from 2018 onwards. I have come several times till date, and I've always felt that Kerala is one of those places where women have been the faces of resistance. It's very organically that women are the faces of the resistance. They are just not put for representation. They are the organic leaders of the resistance, organic leaders of these struggles. And when the union has decided to name this Mazduri, and in that Mazduri honor the work of the women, the resistance that the women are putting, it shows the politics that we believe in. That if inside this country today 50% of women are there, young girls are there, then this society is equally as much as there. We are all equals inside this society. Every struggle is all of ours. So I want to also congratulate all of you for keeping this thing, having a discussion on this theme, and finally, that a challenge is in front of us at this moment. When we stand in 2026, a challenge is there in front of us. A challenge where vice chancellors, a challenge where the RSS, BJP, who are the followers of that Savarkar, which Savarkar had no place in the history, freedom struggle of this country. The Savarkar who had only bootlicked the Britishers to somehow run away from the jail. We want to clearly tell them and their followers that we are the children of Bhagat Singh. We don't run away. We stand here to speak eye to eye to these people who are apologists, that we are here to stay and tell you what our politics is. We are not going to run away. We will not let you destroy our educational campuses. We will not let RSS destroy our educational campuses. Whatever it might take, we will defend educational campuses. Not only for SFI, but also to uphold the democratic culture, so that every student has democratic right to put their dissent forward, to have their voice forward inside this campus. I once more want to extend my solidarity greetings, red salute, revolutionary greetings to all of the students who participated today in this session, to all of the teachers, faculty, workers, staff who have ensured that if a campus has to maintain its democratic culture, it's not only the student, but the entire community who fights together to struggle that education is not only limited to few, it is spread as a knowledge system to each and every one. That kind of message we have been able to send, and I'm really proud and privileged to be here extending my greetings. And whatever the fight that has started in Jantar Mantar and across the country, it will go ahead with the slogan that you people have created, no more, if I'm not wrong, no more Modi, right? So that message we are going to take from this campus across the country as a message that we want to learn that no more of fascist government, authoritarian dictatorial governments on us. We have the constitution. With the constitution in our hands, we are going to march ahead for a better future, to build a better society, for defending the democratic and secular values of this country. Inqilab Zindabad.